Everyone thinks turning on a VPN makes them invisible online. Investigators think differently. There are 8 tools, all free, all publicly available, that law enforcement, federal investigators, and cybersecurity professionals use to pull a person's real IP address out from behind a VPN, a proxy, even Tor. In most cases, it takes under 5 minutes, and in most cases, the target has no idea it happened. This is a privacy awareness video. Every tool we cover today, run it on yourself first, because understanding how your real IP gets found is the only way to actually protect it. Disclaimer: everything in this video is for educational purposes and privacy awareness. These tools are used by law enforcement, security researchers, and investigators in legal contexts. Using any of these techniques to track someone without authorization is illegal. The goal here is to understand your own exposure, not to compromise someone else's privacy. We clear? Let's go. Tool number 1, MXToolbox Email Headers Analyzer. The most common way real IPs get caught, and the one most people never think about. Every email you send carries a full header, a hidden chain of server addresses and timestamps documenting exactly where the message came from and every hop it took to reach its destination. Most email apps hide this from you, but it's always there, and inside it, often sitting in a field called X originating IP, is the sender's real IP address at the time the email was sent. Law enforcement uses email headers constantly. When a suspect sends a threatening email, a phishing message, or any communication from what they think is an anonymous account, investigators pull the raw headers, paste them into a header analyzer, and the originating IP appears immediately. VPN or not, if the email client was configured to expose the real IP, and many are by default, it's there. MXToolbox parses these headers in seconds. You paste the raw email source, it extracts every IP in the chain, geolocates each one, and flags anything suspicious. Run this on emails you've sent yourself. Tool number 2, Grabify. This is the tool that investigators and cybersecurity professionals actually reach for. And the first time you see the dashboard, it genuinely catches you off guard. You paste any URL into Grabify, a news article, a YouTube video, literally anything, and it generates a tracked short link pointing to that URL. The moment someone clicks that link, Grabify captures a complete profile of that visitor: real IP address, country, city and ISP, device type, phone or laptop, browser and operating system, screen resolution, battery level, whether incognito mode is on, whether a VPN or Tor is active, all of it, live, appearing in the dashboard in real time as the click happens. Federal investigations have documented versions of exactly this technique: honeypot links sent to suspects, tracked documents placed where specific targets will access them. When the link gets clicked, the IP that comes back lands on the investigator's tracking page, and the real location is identified, regardless of whether the target believed they were protected. With the Smart Logger feature enabled, Grabify has recorded over 421 million log entries. That number alone tells you how common this technique is, and how many people have no idea it exists. The defensive takeaway? Never click links from people you don't fully trust, especially unsolicited ones sent out of nowhere. And even if you have a VPN running, check browser leaks before you feel safe. WebRTC leaks hand your real IP to tools like this, regardless of what VPN you're on. Grabify.link. Free, no account needed for basic use. Tool number 3, browser leaks. Browserleaks.com. Here's something that surprises people every time they see it. WebRTC is a browser technology that enables real-time communication, video calls, file sharing, direct peer connections. The problem is that WebRTC needs to know your real IP to function correctly, and it will expose that real IP even if you have a VPN running, because WebRTC makes direct connections that bypass the VPN tunnel entirely. This is called a WebRTC leak, and it is one of the most consistent ways that VPN users get their real IP exposed without realizing it. Browser Leaks is a website that tests your browser for exactly this. Go there right now with your VPN on. If your real IP appears under the WebRTC section, your VPN is not protecting you the way you think it is. Your real IP is leaking through every browser tab you have open. Investigators who need to confirm a suspect's real IP when they have reason to believe the suspect is using a VPN will sometimes get the target to visit a page that runs WebRTC checks in the background. The real IP comes back regardless of what VPN is active. Browserleaks.com. Open it right now with your VPN on. Check. Tool number 4. Exif tool. Photos and documents are full of hidden data that most people never see. Exif tool reads the metadata embedded inside image files, Word documents, PDFs, and hundreds of other file formats. GPS coordinates that show exactly where a photo was taken, device information, software version, creation timestamp, and in some cases, IP addresses and network information logged by the application that created the file. In federal investigations, metadata extraction from files is standard practice. A suspect sends a photo claiming they're in a different country. Exif tool reads the GPS coordinates embedded in the image and places them at home. A document is shared claiming to be written by one person. Exif tool shows the actual author field, the organization it was created in, and the software version that reveals the operating environment. For privacy, the lesson is simple. Strip metadata from everything before you share it. Tools like Exif tool show you exactly what's there. The metadata stripper features in Signal and other privacy apps exist specifically because this problem is real and consistently exploited. Exiftool.org. Available on all platforms. Free. Tool number 5. Wireshark. The most powerful network analysis tool on this list and the one that operates at the deepest level. Wireshark captures every single packet of data flowing across a network interface. In an authorized investigation where law enforcement has access to a network, a suspect's Wi-Fi through a court order, an employer's network under authorized monitoring, a shared network segment, Wireshark sees everything. Source IP, destination IP, protocol, content of unencrypted communications, timing, volume. It's the tool that makes VPNs visible at the protocol level. You can see that someone is using a VPN, the traffic patterns, the encryption overhead, the server they're connected to, even when you can't see what's inside the tunnel. And if the VPN connection drops for even a moment, Wireshark catches the real IP immediately before the client reconnects. Used in corporate security monitoring, government investigations, and network forensics. Standard in incident response. If you're running security research on your own network, this is what tells you what your devices are actually doing. Wireshark.org. Free, open source. Tool number 6. IPinfo.io. Once investigators have a real IP address, they need to know what it means. IPinfo is where that analysis happens. IPinfo maintains one of the most accurate and comprehensive IP intelligence databases available. You put in any IP, and it returns the geolocation down to city level, the ISP and carrier, the ASN it belongs to, the organization that owns that IP block, the host name, whether it's residential or data center, and whether it's associated with known VPN services or proxy infrastructure. That last part is critical. IPinfo's VPN and proxy detection database identifies which IPs belong to commercial VPN providers. When an investigator sees traffic coming from an IP that IPinfo identifies as a NordVPN exit node, they now know the suspect is using NordVPN. The next step is a legal request to NordVPN for connection logs. Whether those logs exist depends on the VPN provider's actual policy, not what they advertise. The free tier handles 50,000 lookups per month, more than sufficient for security research. IPinfo.io. Tool number 7. SecurityTrails. This one works differently from the others. It's not about finding your IP in the moment. It's about finding IPs you've used in the past. SecurityTrails maintains a massive historical database of DNS records, IP addresses, and infrastructure changes going back years. When a domain or server changes its IP, moves to Cloudflare, or gets decommissioned, the historical record of what IP it previously used stays in SecurityTrails. In investigations, this is used to de-anonymize infrastructure. A suspect runs a website behind Cloudflare, hiding the real server IP. But before they set up Cloudflare, the domain pointed directly to the real server. SecurityTrails still has that historical DNS record. The real server IP is right there from before the privacy layer was added. The same applies to personal accounts. If an attacker registered a domain years ago when they weren't being careful, SecurityTrails may still have the original registration IP pointing to their real location. Free tier available. SecurityTrails.com. Tool number 8. Shodan. Last one, and the one that makes the exposure problem scale from one IP to thousands of devices simultaneously. Shodan is a search engine that continuously scans the entire internet and indexes every connected device: servers, routers, cameras, smart devices, industrial systems. You search by IP range, by service type, by software version, by location. Every device in a specific IP block that has port 22 open, every webcam in a specific city, every server running a specific software version with a known vulnerability. For IP investigations, Shodan provides historical scan data. An IP that belonged to a suspect a year ago, Shodan may have scan records from that time, showing what services were running, which gives investigators a picture of the infrastructure that existed at a specific IP at a specific point in time. For your own privacy, search your home IP on Shodan and see what it shows. If any of your connected devices are visible, they shouldn't be. Shodan.io. Free tier available. Like and subscribe for more. Drop a comment. Did your VPN pass the browser leaks test? Or did your real IP show up? See you in the next one.